Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurum Vaishnava.
Childbirth, but there are more telephones and refrigerators and then
more telephone means more expenditure.
they have to work less hours. Yeah, they have less hours of working. With more effective pleasure.
That will be a tendency not to work much and enjoy. Then why you have created a factory?
That's what the student was answering yesterday. That his aim is to do the best that he can do for his fellow human beings.
You do not know what is the best. You are a rascal. You do not know what is the best. You take the worst as best. That is your knowledge.
So I asked how are we going to do it? It's a nice idea, but how are we going to do it? Unless one centers in God consciousness, then it is impossible to do anything good. Because we have to understand that we are all controlled by the Supreme Person.
The value you know, God is though. But you do not know. You are letting the use of that so-called goodness.
The ability to peace, feeding, sleeping, mating, and defending.
But that also cannot do. Because the hippies, they have no facilities even for these things.
Yeah, and they're better at it than me.
Huh?
They're better at enjoying life. Yeah. You know they have Nectar.
Why in America the pumps are lying on the streets and they rent one room? What is it called? Lands?
Cloth house?
Cloth house.
Pumps, rent a room?
One night, $1.
Cloth house.
Cloth house.
What is that?
Dock house?
Yes.
She'll fill.
There are so many hotels made, people have no home. People sleeping, but no, they have no sufficient sleeping accommodation. But they cannot provide. So where is your happiness? Most of them, they have no wife. Most good people, they do not have a fixed wife. They have to hire a wife, hire a room, go to a hotel, hire a this. So where is the facility of eating food?
Everything is rented.
Huh? Everything is rented.
Yesterday I stopped by to a gas station. And the man in the gas station, he asked me, I was taking some petrol, and he asked me, Hare Krishna people, how they get children. They say he told me that he saw the girls are having children. So do you allow sex? Then he asked me, do you have free sex like that? Then I said, never. That is never allowed. In fact, sex is allowed, but within the marriage system, not outside. Then he said he doesn't want to get married. And then I asked, then how, but do you want sex? Yes, he says he always wants to have like that, but he doesn't want to get married. I said that is the greatest sinful activity.
Animals. The animals do not get do not marry, but they have sex life. I said, that means you are an animal. You are not human being. The answer should be right. Because marriage, this ceremony is not performed amongst the animals. But they have got sex. So you are like animals. So you are animals who don't claim to be human beings. This is the answer. By your so-called scientific improvement, you have become an animal. Is it not? The animal, they have sex life anywhere, but they are not married. Therefore, you are animal. Is it not?
Yes.
So by your scientific improvement, you are creating animals among humans.
You pointed out once in one of the purports that you pointed out in one of the purports once that in every civilization there's always been some kind of marriage for human beings.
Yes.
In every civilization. It's only now that they're breaking that.
Otherwise, why this marriage war came into existence?
Even the
Child
Aborigines.
without marriage means animal. That is animal. That is not real.
Even the most primitive native tribes. Even the most primitive native tribes have marriage.
Then why you discriminate mother and sister? Why not that you are with mother and sister and daughter? If you are not married, you have no daughter. So you can have your sex life with your mother and sister. Why you discriminate mother and sister?
Human beings have discrimination.
Did they? Anybody?
Increasing number of automobile accidents, increasing number of heart attacks, increasing number
of death, increasing number of war.
Everything is increasing.
Yeah.
When they produce more,
Increasing number of diseases. Yeah.
pollution, insanity,
Insanity,
suicide,
divorce, rape,
crime yet.
crime rate has gone way up.
Yes.
Now the other day in the television, the man was talking. They have also association.
Yeah, reformatory.
Yeah. Why reformating?
They have in this reformatory, they have a 50% return rate. I mean, 50% of the people who graduate from the reformatory come back. 50% of the people who serve their term in the reformatory and they are released, 50% of those people come back. They go back and commit another crime and they're forced to return.
Almighty method has been described by Parikshit Maharaj as Krishna. Bathing of the elephants.
Bathing of the elephant.
Yeah. You know, the bathing of the
They throw out and rub.
Yes. They'll take bath and again come back and back to the.
Yes, absent.
Yeah. You have seen that?
Yes.
Yeah. These are natures with such a big animal, but he has no friendship. So I've taken back. Why am I again? Well, dark. So these big animals, they are not said that I was sent to reformatory for reforming myself. Again, why I'm taking the Gita. The Gita I want like a deal now. But they have no sense. Yeah. And the priest is going to hospitals or drinking heavy.
Yeah. They still hope against hope that they can stop all of these for me.
No. That is their fault. That is their chewing the cheek. They have prayed in common way. They still not crying in the same way.
Right. Every day they initiate a new program. Yeah. Have a new plan.
That means imperfect knowledge.
This time we
As
found
soon as you change your program, that means your knowledge is imperfect. Why do you change? Yes. The theory is same. The philosophical thesis change, program change. That means you are all imperfect.
They admit they're imperfect, but they say it through research and science.
Research means your knowledge is imperfect. That means you are imperfect.
Yeah, we admit that. Yes. We think that through research and science, and eventually you solve all of Dharma.
That is hope against.
All right? I also say, everything we have to do, we have to do it.
No. That is another reason. We have got standard knowledge. We haven't got to do. We take some knowledge and engage ourselves fully into it. We do not change. We are taking this sport to school, we follow this sport because we can only advance. You advance. Actually, see, all our students are advancing simply by accepting this purpose. To compare with anyone, our student, they advance in every aspect.